cerebrum? This one? Cerebellum. What is this half called here? This entire half. Hemisphere? Yes, very good. The hemisphere. What are the raised areas called? Gyrus is singular, gyri plural, and then the groove? Sulcus or sulci. So we have the dura mater there. Can you name this membrane? Arachnoid mater. Very good. And again, just for those of you who missed last time, these are blood vessels that are trapped under the arachnoid mater. What is this indentation right in the middle here?
A sagittal suture.
Longitudinal, cerebral fissure, but it is basically in the sagittal plane. Very good. All right. As far as the cerebellum goes, we have also two lateral hemispheres. What's the structure in the middle called? The vermis. It also has gyri and sulci. Now, if I kind of pull back on these a little bit, we have this collection of 4 protrusions. What is that called? Corpora quadrigemina. Right. And what about this top mound here? What is that? Superior colliculus. What is it involved with? Visual reflexes. Perfect. And how about this little one on the bottom? What is that called? Inferior colliculus. And what is that one involved with? Auditory reflexes. Good. And then there is, let me see if I can get to it. There's that little gland. Belinda, can you even see me? It's your brain. Okay. There's that little gland right above the 2 superior colliculi. What is that? Pineal gland. Very good. Going over to the dorsal view. What are these structures right here? The bulbs. And what nerve is found within? Olfactory nerve. Okay. How about this tract right there? What is that called?
Lateral olfactory tract.
Lateral olfactory band or olfactory tract? Good. How about this nerve right here?
Optic nerve.
Good. And what is this structure right in the middle?
Chiasma.
And behind it?
Infundibulum.
Optic tract. Optic tract. What about this little brown, very delicate? Good. The infundibulum. And what is its function? Attaches the pituitary gland to the brain, okay? Behind the infundibulum, we have this kind of puffy, pillowy structure. What was that?
Mammillary bodies.
Mammillary bodies involved with olfactory reflexes. How about this nerve? What nerve is that? Oculomotor, cranial nerve number 3. And what about the tissue below the oculomotor? What's all this tissue here called? Excellent, the peduncles. Then we would normally have a little nerve right there, the trochlear nerve, cranial nerve number 4. Then we would have another nerve right here. What would that nerve be? Trigeminal number 5. And that's on the side of this protruded structure. What is this called? The pons. Then we move on to this region, which is medulla oblongata, and then right between the 2 we have this nerve, which is abducens, cranial nerve number 6. And if we're lucky, we may also see some spinal nerve rootlets. I see one little one right there. Okay, and I know some of you had some. So there's some spinal nerve rootlets right here, coming off the spinal cord. Now, there's a blood vessel that follows along a particular little groove right there. What is that groove called?
The ventral root.
Ventral fissure. Ventral fissure, okay? All right, I think we got all of that. You